Hello everybody, and today we are here with a review of the Razer Gigantus V2s. This is going to be a bit more of a shorter video, and the mouse I'm going to be kind of using to demonstrate is the Death Adder V2, which I'm going to have a review on coming possibly in my next upload, one of my next few for sure. So look out for that, and let's get into the review. The Gigantus V2, I have just the medium one. I got this as part of the Razer Battle Bundle. If you want to see me open that, you can click on the video, the top link in the description. Gigantus V2 is a very good mouse pad. You can get this size, I believe, for only $10, $9.99. And it's honestly, I've had my mouse go off the mouse pad I think once in like probably the 20 hours that I've used it over the last week or so. And honestly, I think that is pretty good. It has no stitched edges, which is a little bit of a red flag for some people, but for me, I honestly could not care. It has a very grippy on the bottom. It does not move when I push into it at all. Granted, it's on top of another mouse pad, but I've tried it on my desk and it does the exact same thing. It just does not move at all. This is a hybrid mouse pad. But honestly, if I had to pick a side that it's a bit closer to, I would say it's a bit more on the speed side than the control side. Again, this is the Death Adder V2, and it glides pretty well on the mouse pad. Something interesting, by the way, in Razer's Synapse software is that you can reconfigure their mice to their mouse pads. If you go in the software right now, you can check. You can like go into the software and you can like select any of their mouse pads and it'll like calibrate so you get a better sensitivity and feel out of it, which I think is really cool. Yeah, it's a very nice mouse pad for the price. It has this nice little green kind of hexagonal texture on the back. Honestly, I think that's pretty good. Would I recommend this mouse pad? Honestly, yeah, I probably would. It is a very nice mouse pad. And for the price, this is like basically a big competitor to something like the SteelSeries QCK. That's probably its biggest competitor. And honestly, I haven't tried the QCK yet, but I have a friend's QCK at his house that I've tried. And honestly, this might be better. It just might be. If I get my own QCK, then I'll make a review and a comparison if I ever do that. But honestly, this is a very good competitor to this if you're looking for a good option. Anyway, that's about it for this short review. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.